Hey guys, this is Evan from Detail King here with a cool new toy from the folks over at MTM Hydro. And that is the Mezzo. The Mezzo is a really cool little device that allows you to attach both a foam cannon and a pressure washer nozzle all to the same pressure washer pistol or lance. And you can simply switch between the two with the push of a button. Whether you're an over-the-top enthusiast or a high volume detailer or a mobile detailer that needs to beat the sun, this is a great way to have kind of both things in one place. And now rather than fumbling around with switching out your pressure washer tip or forgetting where you put it, this kind of just keeps everything in one place and allows you to seamlessly transition between the two. And it's honestly a very lightweight and easy to use package.